Okay, students. So today I'm going to tell you a small story. Okay? Yalla, so let us begin. Once upon a time, there were two young boys, Jill and Meg, and their dad. Let us see what happened with Jill, Meg, and their dad. Okay, Jill and Meg play a balloon. Jill and Meg, they were playing with their balloons. They hit the balloon. What happened? The balloon is popped. They pop the balloon. Jill and Meg pop the balloon. They became sad because they no more have a balloon. What happened? That's great. Their dad has a balloon for them. Jill and Meg play with the balloon. Okay, through this story, we are going to know something new, which is the plot. Okay, the plot. What is a plot? A plot is a set of elements that make up the story. Okay? Okay, so another time, the plot is the set of elements that make up the story. Okay? Let us see what are the elements of the story. First, we have the characters. The characters are the persons or the people. They are also animals and objects, okay? The people, the animals, the objects that act in the story are called characters. The characters in our story are Jill, Meg, and the father. The characters in our story are Jill, Meg, and the father. What happened in the beginning of the story? What happened in the beginning of the story? Jill and Meg play a balloon. This is the first incident or the first event in the story. Jill and Meg play a balloon. This is the beginning. In the beginning of the story, the two young boys, Jill and Meg, were playing with the balloons. What happened then? What's the rising action? They hit the balloon. Jill and Meg hit the balloon. Jill and Meg hit the balloon. What's happened in the climax or in the middle of the story? What happened in the climax at the top of the story? What happened in the middle? What happened? The balloon is popped. They pop the balloon. They pop the balloon. This is the middle. This is the climax of the story. Okay, and what they are going to do now? What happened in the end, in the falling action? What happened in the falling action? The dad has a balloon for them, but dad has a balloon for them. And then Jill and Meg, another time, they started playing with the balloon. Jill and Meg play with the balloon. So in the end of the story, Jill and the dad brought some balloons for Jill and Meg, and they played again with the balloons.